Hello, I'm going to do my science project, which is a spinner. I've got my templates ready and I already cut these parts for my spinner. What I need to do is fold on the dotted lines like this and add a paper clip. Then I need to add the wings. One is going to go into the back and one is going to go into the front. And I finished my first spinner. Now I'm going to go onto my small spinner. What I need to do is cut out the pieces that I've already cut out from the big one. Now I need to do the same thing by folding, but this one is going to be much smaller because the length is 6 by 10. And then add paper clip. And then do the wings. And I finished my little one. Now I can start on my cardboard one. I'll need to cut out the templates here. I need to cut this line. And cut this line, which is the length 3 centimeters. And then I can start folding it. On the dotted lines, add a paper clip, and fold the wings. My small spinner, which is the same length as my other small spinner. But here it's different because here we have 2 centimeters because this one is smaller than the bigger one. Fold it. Add a paper clip. And then add the wings. Now I finished. Now I'm going to do a demonstration of how you can use these. This one doesn't really work. Either this one. Let's try these ones. This one moves. And this one moves. I think I need to go higher for these cards. Nope. Still faster. And this. So paper falls slower. Let's try together. So cardboard falls quicker than paper. Let's try this in time. cardboard is heavier and paper is lighter, paper can spin, but cardboard just falls. Now I'm going to do a demonstration. Which one's faster, which one's slower? I think the cardboard should go first because it is heavier than the paper one. 3, 2, 1. And the card fell last. Now I'm going to do the small ones. Well, this one fell first, but it did spin. Now I'm going to spin this, but on his own. It does spin. How about higher? It still does spin. And I'm going to do a demonstration with this one too. These two both spin, but if I use this one, it just falls to the ground. Same for this one. Now I'm outside and I'm going to do a game. What I need to do is get these spinners, spin them, and count how many, and at the end, I have 10 turns, and at the end, I have to count how many I've got on this target. I'm going to start with these ones. These did not go on the target, but maybe these will. Let's try. This one did, and this one. The cardboard did not spin like the paper did, because it's heavier. And if I want it to fall to the target, all I have to do is just put. So